So do you also use FlexiFunnels to sell your digital products? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Salesforce lead on FlexiFunnels purchase. So I sell online courses using FlexiFunnels, and here my objective is that whenever a new purchase is made through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase should be created as a new lead in my Salesforce account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my FlexiFunnels account with my Salesforce account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create a Salesforce lead whenever a purchase is made on FlexiFunnels. So this integration helps you capture customer details instantly, streamline your sale process, and ensure no potential lead is missed. Okay, so as you all know that I run an online coaching business and I use FlexiFunnels to sell my courses. So every time someone purchases a course, I want to track them as a lead in Salesforce so I can follow up, offer additional resources, or upsell advanced programs. So instead of manually adding each buyer, this automation ensures that every customer is instantly recorded in Salesforce as a new lead. This helps me stay organized, engage with my customers effectively, and increase my chances of turning a one-time buyer into a long-term client. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my FlexiFiles account with my Salesforce account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to make a test purchase over here using this FlexiFunnels page. And here you can see my product. So I'm going to click on this buy now. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as lead, email as demolead@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter the random phone number. And here for the address, I'm going to enter the random address, scrolling little down. And here for the payment, I'm going to select a random card number, random month, random year, random CVC, and a zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a purchase over here. That means we have successfully made a test order over here in our FlexiFunnels account. So now let's go and check our Salesforce. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead over here with the name demo lead. Here you can see some other details such as the company name, lead status, lead source. Here you can see the phone number, email, and the rating. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your FlexiFunnels account with your Salesforce account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or setting notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Salesforce lead on FlexiFunnels purchase. And now here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels, as I'm receiving new purchase order through FlexiFunnels. So FlexiFunnels is an easy to use platform for creating sales funnels and landing pages without needing any coding skills. So here in my FlexiFunnels trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new purchase, so that whenever I'm going to receive new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can see automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting a trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my FlexiFunnels account. So this is my FlexiFunnels account, and here under products you can see all the products that I'm selling using FlexiFunnels. So here in this particular case, I'm going to set up this automation for this PHP programming course. So I'm going to click on this edit. And from here, I'm going to select set rules given the left side bar. And here under set rules, I'm going to select set product rules. And then a dialog box has appeared in front of us where it is asking for when condition. So here for the when condition, I'm going to select product is purchased. And here for the pricing, I'm going to select for all pricing options. And then here for the use, I'm going to select webhook. And now here after selecting the use, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook name and the webhook URL. So here for the webhook name, I'm going to enter the name as new purchase. And here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the new webhook URL, and then I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we have successfully added a new webhook in our FlexiFunnels account, or you can say we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make another test purchase using our FlexiFunnels payment page. So for that, let me take you to my FlexiFunnels payment page. So this is the course page, and here I'm going to click on this buy now. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummylead@pabblytunes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter the random phone number. And here for the address, I'm going to enter the random address, scrolling little down. Here for the payment, I'm going to enter the random card number, random month, random year, random CVC, and a zip. And then I'm going to click on this complete order. And here you can see we have successfully made a payment over here. That means we have successfully made a purchase over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the zip, transaction ID, state, sales page, URL, path, page ID, product title, product ID, price. Scrolling little down, here you can see the phone number, last name, first name, email, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new purchase through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically I want to add the person who has made the purchase as a new lead in my Salesforce account. So for that, I need to connect my Salesforce with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Salesforce. So Salesforce is a cloud-based platform that helps businesses manage their customer relationships. It's like a one-stop shop for tracking leads, sales, and customer interactions all in one place. So here in my Salesforce action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a lead, so that whenever I'm going to receive new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase is going to be added as a new lead in our Salesforce account. Okay, so now here to connect my Salesforce with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Salesforce account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Salesforce. And then here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the first name, last name and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received from a trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new purchase through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the first name of my customer. So this is the first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here this title is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. And then here it is asking me for the company name. So here for the company name, I'm going to enter my own company name over here as it is a required field. So here I'm going to enter the name as ABC Company. Moving forward, here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, again this website URL and descriptions are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the lead source, I'm going to select web, status as open, rating as hot. Scrolling little down, here for the street, I'm going to map the street address. So this is the street address. Here for the city name, I'm going to map the city name. Moving forward, again this country name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And now you have to enter all the required details. I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new lead in our Salesforce account for the new purchase received through our FlexiFunnels. So now let's go and check our Salesforce. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead over here with the name Nummy Lead. Here you can see the company name, lead status, lead source, phone number and the email. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as FlexiFunnels and our action as Salesforce. So that whenever we are going to receive new purchase through our FlexiFunnels, then automatically the person who has made the purchase is going to be created as the new lead in our Salesforce account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Salesforce lead on FlexiFunnels purchase. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.